Ever wondered how those stunning celestial images are captured? Welcome to the captivating world of astrophotography, where the cosmos becomes your canvas. In this tutorial, we'll journey into the night sky, exploring the mechanics of capturing breathtaking photos of galaxies, nebulae, and planets. From understanding equipment and mastering camera settings, to choosing celestial targets and mastering post-processing techniques, we'll cover it all. Ready to embark on this celestial journey? Let's dive into the basics. First things first, you need to gear up. The essential equipment for astrophotography includes a telescope, a camera, mounts, and various accessories. Each piece of gear plays a crucial role in capturing stunning celestial images. The telescope captures light, the camera records the image, the mount stabilizes your setup, and accessories like filters and adapters refine the process. It's important to choose equipment that suits your budget, experience level, and desired targets. With the right equipment in hand, you're one step closer to capturing the cosmos. Now, let's tune into those camera settings. Manual mode is your best friend in astrophotography. It gives you the reins, allowing you to adjust shutter speed, aperture, and ISO sensitivity for crystal clear celestial shots. Then we have long exposure photography, a key tool in your astrophotography toolbox. It lets you capture faint astronomical objects, turning them into vibrant, detailed images. Remember, the right balance of settings is paramount. Mastering these settings will put you in total control of your celestial captures. Got your gear ready and settings dialed in? It's time to choose your celestial subject. Selecting the right object can enhance your image's visual appeal. Consider visibility, sky position, and your personal fascination when picking your target. Popular choices include galaxies, nebulae, star clusters, and planets. Once selected, focus on framing your shot. Centering and composing your celestial object within the camera's field of view can create a captivating image. With a well-framed celestial object, you're set to capture some cosmic magic. Capturing the image is just half the battle. Welcome to the world of post-processing. This is where the magic truly happens, where we breathe life into our celestial captures. One crucial tip for astrophotography is to always shoot in RAW format. This retains the maximum amount of information from your shots, offering more flexibility during editing. Now, let's dive into the techniques. Firstly, we need to calibrate our images. This corrects for any variations in light and color across the frame. Next, we align our images. This ensures that all the stars in our image stack are in the same position. Then comes stacking, a process where multiple images are combined to create a single high-quality image. Finally, we enhance our image. This may involve adjusting the brightness and contrast, reducing noise, or bringing out hidden details. With these post-processing skills, you're now ready to reveal the hidden beauty of the universe. And that's it. You've now got all the knowledge you need to start your astrophotography journey. From understanding the equipment, mastering camera settings, to post-processing techniques, you're set to explore. So practice, experiment, refine. Get out there, explore the cosmos, and start capturing the stunning celestial images you've always dreamed of.